feel, yeah, I know that it's real, cause I can get them out of my head. I don't care what we do, everything's feeling new. Even if we're staying back.
What's happening today? What are we doing now? What are we doing now?
Where are we going? He's a bit dazed and confused. What day is it?
Where are we going? America.
Welcome back to the channel, and you join us on a travel day. But it's not just any travel day, it's a Disney travel day. We are heading off to Orlando. We have got 12 nights out there. We're actually staying off site. We're going to stay on International Drive but up Universal End, because on this trip we are going to do Universal. We're going to do SeaWorld, Discovery Cove. We've got a day booked for Epcot, because we've got a cheeky little stay at Caribbean Beach Resort in the middle. And and we're also doing an after hours party on the 16th. Oh my god. So the park's open till the park's open till about 2 AM, but the rides are open till 1. But we can go in from 7 PM. We're really excited, aren't we? We both feel really sick.
I do actually feel really sick.
My tummy keeps going all funny.
Oh god.
But,
it's a good job you set your alarm though, wasn't it?
Oh my god. The first time it's ever done this. So we both set an alarm last night. I said to Trevor, you set an alarm as well.
Just in case.
For 5 o'clock this morning. I must have not plugged my phone in properly to the charger, and my battery was dead in the morning and my alarm didn't go off. So if Trevor hadn't set his, we'd probably still be there now, asleep. But it's the first time I've ever done it. I must have not plugged it in properly, and my phone went dead and my alarm didn't go off. All the days. So we're going for London Gatwick. We're going into the #1 lounge. We've also got premium security to go through. But yeah, it's a bit exciting. This is a trip that was never meant to happen, because last time we went to Florida, last February, we said that's it. This is our last Florida trip, because we want to see different places.
12 months later, we're in the car.
11 months later, we're in the car
Going to Disney.
to go to Florida. So yeah, but our next big American trip, we are going to make California and San Francisco and stuff. So honest. This is the last time, well,
until
for a few years, but anyway, yeah. But so yeah, we've just stopped to give the car a quick little charge, because
it's a bloody electric car. Don't buy one.
It's an electric car and it hates motorways. And we're about 15 minutes from Gatwick now. We're coming off onto the M23 in a minute. And yeah, we've got a meet and greet. For the 12 nights, it was something like £80. Really cheap meet and greet. They probably dumped my car in a field or something, but hey ho. I won't care, I'm in Florida. Hey. We are just at bag drop, just waiting for my sister and Wendy to come. Car drop off was really easy. I'll leave them linked below, the company we used. I said I paid £80 earlier, it wasn't, it was 68 quid. And I got a blue light discount on it. So yeah, just a bag drop before we go through security. just done security. Went through pre-min, there was still a bit of a queue, but not as much as the big, the normal security. So, got through departures. Lisa got frisked. So we are just in duty free, and we're going to head into our lab.
Look at us vlogging. Lisa wants to be in it, I can tell.
Oh, is it? Right, okay, so bacon. There we are. Sausages. How many? 2? Oh. Right, just have that for the minute. Yeah, go back down there. There is a selection of yogurts and breakfast pastries. I'm guessing that is porridge in there.
Let's introduce you to the party. You're going to see a lot of these people, especially Lisa and Wendy. I think you know Naomi, and you definitely know the Mason. We are at, where are we?
Number 1 lounge.
The number 1 lounge. I've stuffed my face with everything and had a beer. Oh, there's a cloudy lager, wasn't that exciting? One of us is on champagne.
No, rum now.
Oh, is it rum now? Rum now. Was champagne. I mean, it is 10 to 10 in the morning, for crying out loud. Should be on rum.
5 o'clock somewhere.
Wendy's about to have a croissant and champagne. And Mummy's on her 340th meal.
Going to spend the whole holiday chasing Trevor.
No, just let him go because he's got no things on it, so we can't check, we can't go through.
Trevor's doing a grandma and walking ahead of us. We got, I checked in exactly 24 hours before because they had allocated us a middle row, which means we would have had a stranger on the end of our row. There's only 3 of us. But I managed to check in and get us the window seats, and we're at the back so we can recline our seats without worrying too much about annoying people behind us. Mason's doing the game. Yeah, this is us for the next 10 hours.
It sounds a lot when you say it, doesn't it? 10 hours.
Yeah, it does, doesn't it? But we'll update you on what the food's like. Boarding complete. Got his dinner. He's got a salted caramel pot and like a cheesy pasta bake, cheese and crackers. Yeah, he's eating his pudding first. Hummus. was that like? We did have to pre-order the children's meal and they brought it round before ours.
I keep forgetting to vlog. I've got juices,
Have you got chicken tikka as well?
Yeah.
So it's causing chaos. I got chicken tikka.
It's too big.
There's a strange lady loitering behind us.
You are my pill, I swallow it. Take me away to Neverland, where colors fade my disbelief and make me forget my memories. Rent a car you can't afford, put on a song that we both know. Let your hair out in the wind, put the pedal to the floor. Flame your light, take a smoke. Put your broken rip off, wafers on. Doesn't matter if the sun goes down, we'll still be up, still be up. Don't care about the place we found, we'll still be up, still be up. We're in this together, we both fall down. Doesn't matter if the sun goes up, cause we will still be high when the lights out.
How excited are you, Daddy?
It's sunny.
Sunny.
Not really.
Yeah, well, it's 4:30 at night. Shiny new. Look.
The Plaza Premium Lounge.
It's very fancy down there. We've got palm trees out there. Bit excited.
A bit.
Just on our way to the Rosen Inn. It is 5:45. The new terminal is really nice. That was nice and easy lift ride in. Fridge is a bit noisy.
Quiet fridge.
Oh, hang on, let me turn the light on. Oh, there we are. So we got toilet, a little bath. Oh, I'm glad we got a bath. Shower. Got a little wash area. A very tired me. So we've got a little refrigerator, a microwave, coffee machine. Oh, ironing board.
Oh, Rosen guest, here we are.
We've got a few hangers in there. Nice big TV.
Big bed.
Couple of, I guess they're queen size beds. I don't know. A little table. And the best thing about this hotel is the location. Just over there, I don't know if you can see because of the light, but just over there is Universal. Literally just across the I-4. That's why we picked it, because it's so close.
It's like 7 o'clock.
There is Endless Summer
Or 7 p.m.
over there. And we've got an Applebee's and a gift shop. I think there's a Walgreens just over there.
There's a gift shop in the hotel.
So we're going to get ourselves unpacked and then decide what we're going to do. I don't know if we're going to get Uber Eats in or wander over and get some food. I don't really know. It was a good trip though. It was quite really easy. Oh, I'll get it for you in a minute. It was really, I think it's in my bag. my Mickey bag. Terminal C was really quick actually. Yeah, passport control, or immigration, again really quick. We were literally at the immigration booth like about 2 minutes. Right, we're going to get settled in a bit. We are just heading out onto iDrive and we're going to grab some dinner. We don't know where yet. We're just going to see what we come across. So this is how close we are. Sorry, the wind noise. It's a bit windy here tonight. So there's Cabana Bay and Volcano Bay. We're literally just over the I-4. The size of these is just enormous. We've just come to we just popped into Subway.
It's so American.
Yeah. Mason's got his Gatorade and his sub. Trevor's gone back to the hotel and we've come into the giant tat store. So Mason can stare at giant bits of tat. Got lots of bits here. I don't know, where do you want to look? This is a huge store in here, and this is just opposite our hotel. Oh my god, I look shattered. We're all changed into our pyjamas, and Mace bought a little bit of tat, so that made him happy. I've got some peach iced tea. I was just about to go to bed. It's about 9:15 Orlando time, so it's probably going to be up quite early thanks to jet lag, but yeah, we're just going to bed now. But hope you enjoyed the travel day. Remember to like and subscribe, and we're going to be releasing these vlogs weekly when we get home, so on a Sunday afternoon at 4, once a week. I'll see you tomorrow.